Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A33, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you will want to find the toggle. So let's pull down our notification panel. And for me, the screen toggle is right over here. Now you can tap on it to immediately start recording. You can also hold it, and this will take you to the settings, where you can check out how it's set by default, and if you want to change it, you can do it right here. So as you can see, we have sound. So by default set to record media sound, but you can change it to no sound or media and mic. Then we have video quality, which is set to the highest one, so that's good. Below that we have a selfie, and this is the actual size that you will see on the screen. You can change it, make it bigger, smaller. And below that we have show taps and touches, meaning that when you record, it will show a semi-transparent grayish dot to basically signify where you are pressing the actual display. Anyway, you can close this, and let's find the toggle once again. Tap on it. It brings up the option to choose what sounds we want to record. And from here, we also have the toggle to show taps and touches. We can start recording. So do the countdown from 3, but you can also skip it. And as you can see, it is now recording. So whatever I'll do right now will be recorded by the device. You can also pause it if I want to by tapping on these 2 bars right there. You can add the selfie camera. As you can see, you can draw on the screen. You can resume the recording. And obviously you can stop it from here. Now once you stop your video recording, it will be saved into your gallery application. So we can see it's right over here in the pictures, just the entire album, or you can navigate into albums, and it should create a screen recording album which will contain only screen recordings. Just click on it, and we can now start watching our recording. So there we go. That is how you could record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.